Hey, if you've got an upcoming ski trip, you want to get your knees in shape, make sure they're stable and strong. Here's a great tip I learned way back in 1998 when I was living in Vail, Colorado during that ski season. So anyway, do a quick little 5-minute warm-up walk, then do a typical wall squat. So I'm down here in the wall squat, I've got a 90 here in my knees, and then I'm going to go from side to side, keeping my feet flat on the floor. So go from side to side. Now the magic happens when we go past 7 seconds, when we start that shake. All right, and that shake, that's where strength is being developed. Okay, so you're going to go side to side, holding 7-10 seconds over here, 7-10 seconds over here. Come back to neutral. You're going to go in, hold there, go out, hold there, 7 to 10 seconds at a time. Then you get up and then go for a walk, come back and repeat.